What's up everyone, my name is Gani. I hope you guys are all doing very well, and in this video today I'll be teaching you guys how to start your very own eBay dropshipping business with little or no money at all. Let's get this clip rolling. You guys are probably like, yes, I want to start my business, let's go. But then you're thinking, what's dropshipping though? Guys, dropshipping is a very simple business model. You are running a store without actually holding any inventory. That is dropshipping, guys. You find a reliable supplier, their product, and list it onto your eBay account, guys. Listen to this. Once a customer buys that listing from your eBay account, you go back to the reliable supplier's website and actually enter the customer's details, and then the supplier will send it and ship it straight off to them, and then you keep the profits. Guys, this is a simple business model. It's very simple, guys, but I'll be showing you right now. Let's get into it. So number one, guys, you're gonna have to have an eBay account. Sign into your eBay account, and if you don't have an eBay account, just sign up. Just a quick process. Once you're in your eBay dashboard, go to the top right. Go to your top right corner. A drop down menu will appear in My eBay and click on Selling. My eBay selling overview. So when you start listing products, it will show you how many you have active and how many has sold and how much you have made in a 90-day period. And also, once you have a listing that's actually live, active, after 30 days, if no one buys that product, it will go to the unsold section. Hands down, my favorite research product tool that I like to use personally, guys, is watch count. Watch count allows you to find products that are selling in volume, and when I mean in volume, I'll show you right now, guys. So guys, there's different categories you could go into, and you can sell anything, guys, anything. Tables, chargers, t-shirts. I found a perfect product to show you guys an example. So guys, this is a Drone X Pro, and the watch count is 1.5k, and that's just people that are interested in the product, guys. And it's selling for $59.99 plus free shipping. So this person knows what they're doing. This is this person's product, the Drone X Pro, and it's selling for $59.99 plus they're doing little savings, which if you buy two you get some discount. And guys, they have sold 578 of this product, guys. This product is being dropshipped right now. Boom. So right now, guys, I just showed you this person that's dropshipping this product, and this is the product there. And look at the title, guys, HD camera live video drone. That's the exact same as this person is dropshipping. It literally took me like 30 seconds to do, guys. Hey guys, I'm telling you guys now, this is one of the easiest ways to make money, guys. So guys, let me show you. You're probably thinking, okay, he's doing that, okay, how much would I make? Let me show you guys. So this person is selling the product for how much? $59.99. Yeah. This will basically calculate how much profit you make on a product. You get a product is $59.99. Shipping is free shipping. The item cost is $48.33, guys. Zero. So guys, every time this dropshipper sells that drone, guys, $3.62, guys. You're thinking, oh, that's not big money. Nah, it's not life changing. But guys, he sold it 578 times. Now do the maths there. Made over £1,000 from just one product in pure profit. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video, guys. I've taught you how to start your very own online business, but guys, it's now all up to you to take action. Let me give you guys a quick quote. Sometimes later becomes never. Do it now. It's your boy Gani, and I'm